You'd think worrying about money would make people spend less. For a growing number of people, it's doing the exact opposite. It's called doom spending. One of the strangest financial patterns happening right now. Doom spending, buying things to cope with feeling like the future is out of your control. Small treats. Sometimes big purchases. If saving for a distant, uncertain future feels pointless. Spending on something that feels good right now can feel like the only thing you can actually control. Here's the psychology behind it. Spending money triggers a quick hit of relief and control in the brain. But that relief fades fast, usually within minutes to hours. While the real source of stress, the uncertainty about money, is still sitting there. Completely unresolved. So the cycle repeats. Stress rises. Purchase. Brief relief, stress returns. Slightly higher each time because now there's less money too. The goal here isn't to never spend money on things that make you feel better. That's not realistic, and it's not the point. The difference is between spending that happens to you, driven by anxiety in the moment, and spending you actually chose on purpose, with room already made for it. One drains you slowly. The other doesn't. So if you notice this pattern in yourself, here's a simple way to interrupt it. 1. Name the feeling, I'm anxious, and I want to buy something. 2. Build a small emergency fund, so uncertainty feels less all-consuming. 3. Set aside one small, planned amount each month for guilt-free spending. If you've ever caught yourself doom spending, you're not alone. Subscribe to Wealth Loop. Every week I break down one money habit that's quietly making people rich.